If you're into boating, fishing, or just love the outdoors, Garmin has something pretty special for you. The brand new Garmin Quatix 8 has officially launched, and it's packed with major upgrades that not only make it smarter, but also more rugged, more marine-ready, and more versatile than ever before. So, what's new? First up, let's talk about that bright 1.4-inch AMOLED display. It's now standard across both sizes, 47mm and 51mm, and it's super vibrant, perfect for sunny days out on the water. Whether you're checking your GPS position or reading tide charts, it looks crystal clear. And yes, the Quatix 8 is still built tough. It's water-resistant up to 100 meters and dive-rated to 40 meters. So whether you're diving deep or just caught in heavy rain, this thing's not backing down. Under the hood, it runs on Garmin's latest Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, giving you more accurate health and activity tracking. It also includes an LED flashlight, which is a handy tool during nighttime activities or emergencies. That's a small feature, but it makes a big difference. Now here's the real game changer. Marine-focused features. This watch supports Blue Chart marine maps, so you can navigate like a pro. It also tracks tide changes, which is huge for sailors, boaters, and anyone who spends time by the water. And yes, you can now control your chart plotter with voice commands thanks to the built-in mic. That's a first for the Quatix series. Speaking of that mic, this watch can now take and make phone calls directly from your wrist when connected via Bluetooth. No need to pull out your phone while sailing or fishing. Just tap and talk. Battery life. Garmin has seriously leveled up here too. The 47mm version offers up to 16 days of battery life. And if you go with the 51mm model, you're getting up to 29 days on a single charge. That's insane for a smartwatch with an AMOLED display. And yes, this watch is basically built on the powerful Fenix 8 platform, but tuned specifically for mariners and outdoor lovers. You're getting all the fitness, health, GPS, and smart features of a top-tier multi-sport watch, with a marine-focused twist. The Quatix 8 starts at $199.99. And if you want the bigger 51mm model, it's an extra $100. So, is the Quatix 8 worth it? If you live your life on the water and want a powerful, durable, and smart companion, this might just be the best marine smartwatch Garmin's ever made. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this your next upgrade? And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest smartwatch news and comparisons. This is SmartWatchRadar, and I'll catch you in the next one.